I am now going to play Retail Tycoon, but nah, I'm not going to actually. Forget that. I'm just going to pop on there. I've got to go back into the little screen in a minute. Let's do Madness. I might do the even numbers of that series on this channel, and the odd numbers of it on the main channel. Let's go. Excuse me, I've got a bit of a Does the wire reach? Oh, the reason that video there is that I was just I was going to do one on Retail Tycoon. Look at this. I've got a loop. Hopefully on here that button works. Honestly, still doesn't work. Oh my god. That is so stupid. Right, let me redeem this. Whoops. Please. Oh yes. Stay there, stay there, stay there. Don't move, don't move. Yes. That was loud. Sorry, let me just turn it down. Which one is it? There we go. Okay, Magmite Dropper. Hello. 360k. So how much am I dropping at the moment? 65. Right, so that's about 6 times as much. Little bit less. So I'll stick one over here. Yeah, I think so. Where is it? There we go. I have a feeling I'm going to do the even numbers of this challenge on here. It's not really a challenge, it's a series. I'm going to definitely go on my private island. I have a bit of a... It takes ages to go onto the island once you've pressed yes. Oh, there we go. Okay. I'll check if this is too loud after I've finished it, because this microphone is really bad. Not bad. Loud. Listen. One of the loudest things you've ever heard, yes? But for some reason there. Oh, do the voice creators require power? If they do, they can forget. No. It looks like that's a power thing. I'll just check it isn't. And how do I do that? I want my... That's really annoying noise. No, it doesn't do anything. Can we move it to the right? It doesn't go to the right. I might have to withdraw it and place it back down again. It just doesn't work. definitely doesn't work. I'm going to buy a new one. Does anybody know why it's not working? Because I have Prestige 7, so it's nothing to do with that. Maybe it's something to do with where it's positioned. If I sell you, then pop a couple basics in there, then stick that there, then surely, I may as well sell that and that one. There's definitely a bug with those. Oh well. I just had to put a basic one in and rotate it every time I need it to. Although I will need a conveyor wall or a rusty conveyor. Good alternative is a rusty conveyor to a wall. I might actually just stick a random dropper on there as well. I'll pop the sparkle time one on there. There we go. Now some sparkle time ones should be dropping. Okay, then I just need to pause it and just choose one of these. Just to sort of get rid of it. Yeah. I'm gonna shut it off. Okay, there you go around for a bit whilst I build on this. So it's that connects to all three electric storms, so that's that taken care of. Actually, I think I might leave that and do the coal generator instead, because it can still do all three. So just as long as it's, I'm just gonna put some conveyors. Then I can put the blow dart tikis, those ones that I got for completing the maze. So let's get them. Blow dart tiki. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoops. Ooh. I've just had a thought. That's not powering it because we've got ore limit. I'm going to have to upgrade the ore limit. 700. Yeah, why not? 780. Right, now I need to think very carefully. Right, what's next? I need to get this quick. What am I doing? There we go. I need to be quick. Basic furnace. Doesn't do anything. That's the one I'm using at the moment. Do the magnifiers first. It's not going to work like I want it to because it's left. Okay. So now I want more beam magnifiers. Oh, actually, I might do another left turn so that it becomes that, and then it will just be slightly different because of the loop. It's fixed now. And let's do some more. 300k. These can drop just after the loop happens. Just before the electric storms. That's not gonna work, is it? Maybe just after those in this little corner here. No, on that corner there. Right. Now let's have some steel petrifiers. Okay, it's getting closer to what I want. I think we'll have to leave it there for this video though. I might bring a part 2 of this video out, or I might record it now. Okay, so I'll just see you in a second, or maybe on Sunday, Saturday, depends. Just letting you know it'll be Wednesday. Tomorrow I'm going to do a video on my other channel of the other mini games one, okay? Bye. Postscript. I am going to do some work off camera on Mining Madness, just so that it's a bit better when I come to Sunday. Yeah. I might upload another one today, so keep an eye out just in case. Okay, bye. Postscript. Subscribe to PewDiePie.